Grouping can help you to simplify a complicated Excel data while you analyzing it. And that's what we are going to talk about, or that's what we are going to teach about in this particular video. I'm going to show you how you can group or ungroup any Excel data so that you can bring a kind of simplicity in that particular sheet or in that particular Excel data, right? So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. This is the 16th video in this MS Excel course, and in this video we are going to show you how to group and ungroup rows and columns in Excel. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, this is our previous Excel data which we were using from our previous videos, and this is a dummy data of students, right? And we got their marks and their result as well, right? Now let's say we want to group this marks data so that we can hide it and just see the result, that whether the student is failed or passed, right? So for that we just have to group it, and once we group it we can hide the data. Let me show you. Let's say I've just select this particular data, right, subject, or I can do one thing, I can grab this data till average. We'll be able to see only percentage, result and grade. Right, now we have selected the data. Now let's go to data option, right, and in data option you'll be able to see this groups option, right? If I click on this, it will ask me that for what you are creating a group, for rows or columns. So right now we have selected columns, so first click on column, then hit OK, and you'll be able to see a line just above the data which we have selected, and a dot on every column which is selected to create a group, right? Which means it denotes that you this column is under a group, right? Now if I click on this minus icon, it will be collapsed, minimized like this, right? Now you'll be able to see properly that this is the student and this is the proper result. It basically, this grouping or ungrouping thing works in data where you have thousands of numbers of student, or thousands of products. That's where this grouping and ungrouping thing works, because you can see the end result, that what is the conclusion, that whether we got profit or whether we got loss, whether the student is passed or whether the student is failed, right? Like this. Now let's, if you want to expand it, you just have to click on this plus icon and you'll be able to see this. Now let's say you want to ungroup this again back. You for example, you want to go back, right? Make sure you are selecting the data which you have selected earlier properly, otherwise it will end up with a mess, right? You have to select the proper data which you selected earlier, right? In our case we have selected this particular data, right? And go to this ungroup icon, just click on this, and what was it? Is it column or row? It was column, right? Click on this and it will be ungrouped, right? Here I think it is removed. It was language, I guess. Yeah, now it's okay. Now let's say you want to group a row, right? Earlier we used a group column, and now we want to group a row. Although this data is not suitable for row, but just to show you, right? You just have to select the columns, I mean the rows, sorry for that, and just click on this. It will automatically create a group, right? Now just click on this minus icon and it will be minimized. If you want to expand it or maximize it, just click on this. Now the data is already selected, just click on this ungroup icon, it will be ungrouped automatically. So that's how you can group or ungroup the data. It is very important sometimes when you are trying to simplify the data, when you are trying to bring a simplicity into your data, right? Maybe it is not looking useful, very useful this time, but yeah, in future you'll find it quite useful. So I hope you like that. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. And if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.